The story of sustainable happiness begins with meeting people from all over the world, from all different walks of life. It continued to evolve through looking at happiness research, which I'll tell you more about in later lectures. What really stood out for me as I listened to people who have truly fulfilling lives is that they were not caught up in the happiness buzz. They were not solely focused on their own happiness. A common thread was their experience of connection. Either a connection within themselves, with other people, with their work, a sense of purpose, a deep connection with nature. As I looked at the positive psychology research as it emerged, this really reflected what I was hearing from other people, and that was pretty exciting. What it was missing is a very vital perspective. That sense that our happiness and well-being are interconnected. There was such a focus on individual happiness, as if we live in a bubble disconnected from other people and nature, as if the choices that we make on a daily basis have very little impact on other people and the natural world. So I'd like to talk to you more about that throughout this course, because that's really the focus of sustainable happiness, is about interconnection. But to begin with, I'd like to start with an experiment to get the ball rolling. I'm not going to tell you exactly what this is about before we start, but I will explain fully once we've finished. So here we go. I'd like you to think about one of your happiest or most enjoyable moments. It doesn't have to be the happiest moment, just one of your happiest or most enjoyable moments. Just reach back, think about it, pause the video if you need to, as you really begin to embrace what that experience was like. Try to place yourself fully there in that moment. What were you hearing? Like right now I'm hearing a little bit of wind in the trees. What were you feeling? Did you feel the sun on your face? Who were you with? What kinds of sights and sounds were there? Really place yourself in that moment and really relish that experience of what that happiest moment was like. If you are here with someone else, you can do this as a partner activity. Share your happy moment with them and listen deeply to their story as well. Once you've done that, put the video back on and I'll tell you a little bit about what I've heard from other people.